Here is how to fix GTA 5 if it crashes on the loading screen or during the startup. So first, you need to open the Rockstar Games launcher and go to the settings. If you're playing GTA Online, make sure it is enabled. If you're playing with mods, disable it by unchecking the box. Next, open File Explorer and go to Documents and find and open the Rockstar Games folder. Open the GTA 5 folder and find the settings.xml. Now delete this file and then try launching GTA 5 again to see if it works. If the problem continues, the game files may be corrupted. If you're using Epic Games, go to your library, find GTA 5, and click on the three dots and select Manage, and then click on Verify to repair the game. On Steam, go to Library, find GTA 5, right-click on it, and select Properties. Go to Installed Files and click on Verify Integrity of the game files. And once this is done, try launching GTA 5 again, and the issue should be now resolved. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.